You believe your liver takes decades to heal from alcohol, but this crucial organ actually transforms in 30 days. Behind your ribs lies a silent 3-pound chemical processing factory that is secretly screaming for a desperate break. Most medical textbooks completely gloss over the absolute chaos that happens when you consume just one alcoholic beverage. Let us look at Sticknam as he demonstrates the catastrophic cellular impact of your everyday weekend drinking habits. The reality of hepatic rejuvenation is far more complex and fascinating than your general practitioner ever told you. Our analytical journey begins on the very first hour after you decide to put down that final beer. Your bloodstream is currently swimming with toxic acetaldehyde molecules, which are actively destroying your delicate liver cellular walls. Watch closely as we dissect the microscopic battles occurring inside your body while you make this positive choice. The liver immediately halts all other metabolic functions just to clear this highly poisonous substance from your system. But what happens when the constant influx of toxins suddenly stops entirely for 30 whole consecutive days today? Within 24 hours of total abstinence, your overworked liver finally shifts from panic defense to active cellular healing. The massive accumulation of fat droplets inside your hepatocytes begins to slowly dissolve under this new clean regime. Our friend Sticknam here illustrates the sudden drop in oxidative stress that occurs during this initial healing phase. Without ethanol to process, the liver cells can finally focus on repairing their damaged and worn-out DNA. A massive surge of beneficial antioxidants begins to flood your biological system, neutralizing harmful free radical molecules successfully. Your blood sugar levels start to stabilize beautifully, as insulin resistance inside the liver tissue rapidly decreases now. The liver is no longer forced to prioritize alcohol metabolism over its primary job of regulating glucose levels. Notice how the cellular mitochondria begin to multiply, restoring the energy production systems that were previously suppressed heavily. By day 3, your body has completely cleared all trace elements of alcohol and its toxic byproducts safely. This sudden absence of chemical stress triggers a profound evolutionary survival mechanism hidden deep within human DNA layers. Your liver cells, known scientifically as hepatocytes, begin to duplicate themselves at an absolutely astonishing biological rate. This is not simple healing, but an aggressive, coordinated self-cloning process designed to restore lost functional capacity. Sticknam points to the growing cellular clusters that are actively replacing dead tissue with brand new cells rapidly. To understand this magic, we must examine the unique regenerative pathways that make the liver so incredibly special. Unlike your heart or brain, the liver possesses an almost mythological ability to fully rebuild its entire mass. If you cut away 2/3 of a healthy liver, it will grow back completely within a few weeks. Imagine the sheer power of this organ when it is finally freed from the daily burden of detoxification. During this critical first week, your digestive tract also begins its own highly complex process of cellular repair. The gut-liver axis, a vital communication pathway, is finally restored to its optimal working state of equilibrium. Harmful bacterial endotoxins stop leaking into your portal vein, which significantly reduces systemic inflammation throughout your entire body. As we enter the second week, a dramatic shift occurs in your overall systemic and physical health metrics. The persistent inflammation that makes you feel constantly bloated and exhausted begins to dissipate very rapidly indeed now. Look at this chart showing the dramatic decrease in circulating liver enzymes like ALT and AST levels today. High levels of these enzymes in your blood always indicate that your liver cells are actively dying inside. But now, those chemical markers are crashing down towards normal ranges, signaling a massive halt in ongoing damage. Your immune system, previously distracted by constant alcohol-induced inflammation, can now focus on general body maintenance work. Natural killer cells and macrophages begin clearing out cellular debris that has accumulated over months of drinking alcohol. This internal deep cleaning process, known as autophagy, is highly stimulated by the sudden lack of ethanol consumption. Your body is essentially recycling its own damaged components to build stronger, healthier cellular structures instead of fat. Now, pause and ask yourself, do you think your own liver is currently struggling to keep up daily? Tell us your honest thoughts in the comments below right now before we move to the next phase. Your feedback helps us understand how many of our brilliant viewers are currently on this healthy life journey. Let us continue our deep analytical dive as we enter the crucial third week of complete alcohol abstinence. By day 15, the actual physical structure of your liver begins to undergo a profound structural transformation process. The stiffness of the hepatic tissue, which is a precursor to dangerous cirrhosis, begins to measurably decrease now. Blood flow through the portal vein becomes much smoother, reducing pressure on your entire cardiovascular system very quickly. This structural relaxation allows nutrients from your food to be processed with maximum efficiency and biological speed, always. Your body can now synthesize essential proteins like albumin and clotting factors at much higher rates than before. You will notice a significant boost in your daily energy levels as metabolic efficiency reaches peak performance levels. The constant brain fog associated with mild hepatic encephalopathy finally lifts, leaving your mind incredibly sharp and clear. Now we enter the third week, where the true magic of deep cellular regeneration takes center stage completely. The liver begins to actively downregulate genes responsible for producing fibrotic scar tissue inside your body systems. This means the early stages of liver scarring can actually be halted and potentially even reversed entirely now. Look at this incredible microscopic view of collagen fibers being gently broken down by specialized cellular enzymes today. Your body is literally erasing the physical scars left behind by years of weekend partying and drinking lifestyle. At the same time, your liver is optimizing its ability to store essential vitamins and vital minerals properly. Vitamin A, iron, and B12 are now stored and released with perfect biological precision when needed daily. This drastic metabolic improvement reflects directly on your skin, which becomes clearer, brighter, and highly hydrated once more. The yellowish tint in your eyes, caused by excess bilirubin buildup, completely disappears as processing normalized again. Your kidney function also improves dramatically because the burden on your filtration systems has been significantly reduced now. We are now witnessing the incredible power of a fully functioning, uninterrupted human metabolic powerhouse inside your body. Notice how Sticknam points to the dramatic drop in visceral fat surrounding the major internal organs of humans. This visceral fat is highly toxic, but it is the first to go during this cellular abstinence period. Your lipid profile improves, showing a healthy decrease in triglycerides and bad cholesterol throughout your bloodstream system. This systemic cleanup dramatically reduces your long-term risk of developing dangerous cardiovascular diseases or strokes later. The liver capacity to detoxify other environmental pollutants and everyday medications is now incredibly enhanced and upgraded. You are literally upgrading your body's primary shield against the toxic modern world we live in right now. This is the ultimate scientific proof that your body is designed to heal if you just let it. But we are not done yet, because the final week brings the most astonishing transformation of all indeed. Let us look at what happens when you finally reach the glorious milestone of day 30 of abstinence. By day 30, your liver has undergone a complete molecular and physical revolution of health and cellular vitality. The total fat content in your liver has been reduced by an absolutely mind-blowing 15% overall. This massive reduction completely removes you from the dangerous category of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease forever. Your immune system is now exceptionally strong, ready to fight off actual pathogens and dangerous viruses successfully. The deep inflammation markers in your blood have dropped to levels you have not seen in many years. You have successfully added high-quality, healthy years to your lifespan by making this simple lifestyle choice today. Your brain chemistry has also rebalanced, leading to deeper sleep cycles and highly reduced daily anxiety levels now. This is because a healthy liver maintains the perfect chemical balance required for optimal neurological function every day. You are now looking at a completely revitalized version of yourself, built on solid scientific principles and facts. The physical and mental benefits of this 30-day challenge are truly undeniable and scientifically validated across medicine. Now, if you want to continue optimizing your incredible body, join our exclusive, brilliant science-loving community right now. Click that subscribe button right now to unlock more deep biological secrets with our intellectual friend Sticknam today. We have a pinned comment down below with an incredibly challenging science quiz just for your brilliant mind. Go test your knowledge and see if you can get a perfect score on this fascinating medical topic. Remember, every single positive choice you make today shapes the healthy future of your biological self tomorrow. Do not let temporary habits destroy an organ that works so tirelessly to keep you alive and healthy. Share this vital knowledge with a friend who might need a friendly reminder to protect their physical liver. We are incredibly proud of your commitment to learning more about how your biological body works every day. Always stay curious, keep your body healthy, and prepare yourself for our next truly amazing scientific journey together. You believe your liver takes decades to heal from alcohol, but this crucial organ actually transforms in 30 days.